Hello and welcome to the next episode of Linux B. Today we are going to see how we can install Zoom, which is a video conferencing solution, onto the Linux, specifically for the Ubuntu Linux. So basically Zoom is a video conferencing application which is available mostly onto the different operating systems like Android mobile, Windows, then Linux, where people can join the video conference and discuss with each other. Zoom has been around for quite a while, years. I think as we see it here, it was around from 2011. So now we are in 2022. So it has been quite a lot years where Zoom has been there. But Zoom specifically got popular popular during the pandemic of 2019, where people, as we can see here, where people were forced to sit at home due to the pandemic, and there has been a drastic increase into the work from home requirement and distant learning. So where schools and colleges were also happening from the home, so people started using Zoom, and that's how it got very much popular. So the Zoom's another competitor is Microsoft Teams. But because Microsoft Teams is also available onto the Windows, and Zoom has been also does have some more features compared to the Microsoft Teams. So here we will see how to install Zoom on Ubuntu. So we will just put this link onto also into the below in the video. So this is what the link is, which will help us to install Zoom on Ubuntu. As we can see it here, first we need to download the Debian file. So we have it opened here. So as we can see it here, we are on, there is a selection window to select the operating system, sorry, distribution of the Linux. So we will select the Debian here. Then it's a most recent version we will select. Mostly Zoom does not works on 32-bit, but as per our experience, so we'll select the 64-bit and start the downloading. So as we can see it here, the download has been started, which will download the Debian file here. So now, till the download is happening, we will go to the terminal. So we will start the terminal and go to the downloads. Okay, so here, as you can see here, it downloaded the Debian file, so which we can be installed on Ubuntu as dpkg-i, and then we can do like this. We need to enter the password. So yes, so it has started installation. If there is no problem, or if there is any unmatched dependencies, so it will are not required, then it will proceed further. So we can wait it. Yeah, you can see it here. This package is not available, so not installed. So we have to install this package first. So this has been, we had previously tried it on our website also, as we can see it here. So on this post, how to install Zoom on Ubuntu. So this will put it into the chat. So we have to install these dependencies first, which we will do it here. Okay, so we will proceed with the installation of libxcb-xtext0. So which is going with the installation. So we have to wait till the installation is complete. It is still going on. Though it may take some time, depend upon the what configurations it needs to do. So far I think there are no issues. It is still proceeding with the installation as required. Yes, it is still processing. Yeah, now it has been completed. Now we can, as this dependent library has been installed, now we can go and start the installation again. So hopefully this should complete because we have dependencies now resolved. So you can refer to this page and also install the dependency before trying it out onto the actual installation for the first time itself. So this is still going on. So on this website we also have some other applications. As we said that Microsoft Teams is another competitor for the Zoom. So this can be installed also onto the Ubuntu. It is still going on. So hopefully it should proceed and complete it soon. So once it is installed, you can just start either by typing Zoom from the terminal, or you can go to the activities from here, or you can also start from the applications from here and then type Zoom here. So which will which can start the Zoom application. It's still going on, so hopefully it should complete as soon as possible. It is still doing some configurations. Yeah, now it has been completed. So now if we see where it installed, which we can type it in which Zoom. As you can see it here, it has been installed here. Let's see if there is any man page available for Zoom. Okay, there's no man page available. That is fine. Now we can start Zoom as like this. So yes, it has started. Zoom has started. So hopefully it will now open the window. Yes, now it has been started. Now you can proceed by further by to join the meeting based upon the details what you will receive from the meetings. So there is another option, as I said, we just closed it from here. You can start Zoom from here. You can also start it from here. It's another option. And the third way, as we said, you can start it like from here also. So anyway, whichever way you find comfortable, you can start the Zoom and then join the meetings based upon the codes you will receive. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.